Hey everybody, Joe here from Mainline Overland. Today I'm standing in front of this very normal looking Sprinter van from the outside, but once you go inside, this van is very far from normal. We built this out with a Adventure Wagon interior kit. This customer came to us looking for kind of the perfect setup for at the motocross track. This gentleman does a ton of motocross racing. He's traveling around a lot, going from track to track, staying at the track. And this Adventure Wagon interior kit was the perfect solution to kind of fit all of his needs. So let's dive in and show you what this kit is all about. Adventure Wagon makes modular interior systems for the Sprinter van, Transit, as well as the Ram ProMaster. So this is a modular interior system that includes wall panels as well as a ceiling kit. This customer decided to go with the charcoal fabric here. There are also 3 other options. There's also options to have the whole thing in this fabric. There's options to do kind of a textured insert here as well as bamboo. So Adventure Wagon gives you a ton of options to kind of customize and build out the interior exactly how you want it. Included on all the Adventure Wagon interior kits are these super nice recess mounted lights here. So this is what it looks like at full strength. These are fully dimmable. So you just hold this button in, you see they go all the way down, and then push it again, and you'll see the brightness increase. Another great feature about these lights is they're also able to switch it to a red light. So if you double tap this button, it'll go to a red. These lights have a ton of awesome functionality. I really like the red feature in here because if you're hanging out here at night, you can kind of keep a nice, comfortable, cool vibe without kind of ruining your night sight. And there's 6 of these from all the way from the front to the back. So our favorite thing about the Adventure Wagon interior kit is that they use this L-Trac system to hold the whole system together. So to install this, you're basically drilling and installing threaded inserts all along the body panels here. And then these L-Trac get bolted in, and actually they use this L-Trac here to kind of hold in the interior wall panels. The reason why that is so awesome is because these are basically bolted right to the body of the van. So you're able to mount, store, kind of tie down a lot of different things inside this van. So pretty much anywhere you see L-Trac is a point where you could use the tie down, install, basically anything you want. So that creates a really big advantage when you're using a van for kind of mixed use like this customer. On the weekends, he's going to be taking his, rolling his bike up in here. You can use all this L-Trac on the side to tie it down. Let's say he wanted to go on a weekend trip, wants to go camping, you can easily install overhead storage. You can install a bed here. So you can really kind of change the whole layout and interior of this van in a very short period with this L-Trac. For heating and cooling in this van, Adventure Wagon has provisions for a standard max air fan here in the front, as well as a cutout for here in the rear. This customer opted to do an AC unit over a second max air fan. This is a standard 12x12 cutout. I believe that's what Nomadic is using. This customer decided to go with a different brand, so we did have to make some modifications to the roof panel here. So if you are looking to do a van build like this and kind of want to do your own custom AC unit, we're definitely here to help you kind of make sure everything is done properly, sealed up properly, and installed by professionals. Moving on to heating, we installed a S-bar heater, and that is down there under the passenger seat. We installed a nice thermostat up here right by the big slider door, so you can quickly jump up in the van and kind of adjust the heat. Right now it is turned off. Then all you do here is so you hold this to turn it on, and then the dials is the thermostat. Pretty self-explanatory. You can adjust the fan speed. There's timers on this. The S-bar is our #1 go-to for heaters here inside the van, especially being a diesel van. It's super easy. You just kind of add a tap into the fuel tank and you have heat. To keep all your devices charged up and other accessories running while you're out on the road, this van has 5 of the USB ports here, as well as 5 of the 12-volt plugs here, the cigarette style plug. So you have plenty of power pretty much at every corner of this van where you can charge up your devices and make sure everything's all charged up. And they use a nice Blue Sea marine grade connectors, so these are going to last pretty much a lifetime. So by now you're probably wondering how we are powering the AC unit, the heater, all the lights, and everything else inside this van. And we're using this drop-in power in a box system here. So this features all Victron components inside, and this box is pushing 800 amp hour of power, which is a huge power supply in this van. When you're running an AC unit like that, this is about the battery size you need to kind of keep this running all night and not be worried about running low on battery. So we're going to open this up and show you everything inside. In this upper compartment here, we have Victron's 200 amp hour batteries, and there's 4 of them. As you can see, there's actually space for one more, so if this customer did want to jump up to 1,000 amp hour, he does have that flexibility. So we'll close that up. And then down here on this lower panel, open this up, and this is where all the Victron controllers are. So we have solar controller, we have charge controller to step up the vehicle's alternator, just kind of all the brains and everything are running in here. And then there's also this nice little PC fan to make sure everything stays nice and cool while it's running. And then lastly, we have this door on the side, which has kind of the big multi-plus system charger. As you can see, this has some huge cables running through it. So this is definitely something you want to leave to professionals, because when you're working with lithium power, you want to be very careful, because it is very high voltage and lithium is a ton of power to deal with. Adventure Wagon offers multiple accessories to build out the interior of their van to fit your needs. The first that they have is the Moab bed, which is a bed platform that sits on this vertical L-Trac here. It basically takes up this whole space here inside the van. So the whole back is kind of your sleeping quarters. That option's super nice because it's height adjustable and it's also removable. So this customer is going to be adding that Moab bed here at some point, but he kind of wanted to use it a few times to kind of see the layout that he really wanted. They also have the Monk bed, which is a flip down bed that goes up to the side, and then so it can be flipped up out of the way, and then when you're ready to sleep, it flips down here, and you have a sleeping platform attached to the wall here. They also have mule bags, which are overhead storage units. They're bags that get attached to the L-Trac here, and you have some extra overhead storage. Those are what Adventure Wagon offers. There's some other brands out there that have storage and cabinet options that integrate here with the L-Trac. So if you're building out your Sprinter van, this is definitely the way to go because of all that flexibility and all those options. To wrap it up, these Adventure Wagon interior kits create the perfect dual-purpose, multi-use interior for your Sprinter van. Like I said earlier, this customer came to us looking for the perfect setup for the motocross racetrack. So he can load his bike in here, kind of secure it down off all the L-Trac on the side of the wall. He can secure his tool bag. He can secure all of his other riding gear safely in this van while he goes to the track. He can work comfortably in here if it's raining on the bike. You can set up camp inside this van. So there's really endless possibilities of what you can do inside the Adventure Wagon. And that's why they're our choice for interior kits on Sprinter vans, Ram ProMaster, as well as Transits. So if you want to get something like this built out for your van, be sure to reach out to us at sales@mainlineoverland.com. You can always give us a call at 844-656-7626. And if you want to see more about this specific kit and this product, go ahead and click the link down below in the description, and that'll go to our website where you can read more about it, view more videos about this. But yeah, this is the best setup if you're looking for a dual purpose build out on your van.